Get ready to be amazed! Today, we're introducing the innovative machinery that's transforming the world of forestry and wood processing. From powerful tree harvesters to advanced precision tools. If you need a powerful tree harvester, the John Deere 1270G is an ideal choice. It delivers 200 kilowatts of power, 8.6 meters boom reach, intelligent boom control, a rotating cab, and 6 or 8 wheel configurations. Perfect for handling tough forestry conditions efficiently. Let's explore the world of large-scale wood-cutting machines, where advanced technology enables processing up to 500 cubic meters of timber per day. These machines revolutionize efficiency and sustainability, combining power and precision to meet the demands of modern forestry operations. The JBM 80-ton splitter effortlessly cuts 60 centimeters logs, featuring a customizable adjustable wedge with 24 options and an innovative hydraulic side loader, ideal for serious firewood splitting. It feels like a superhero ready for any log challenge. The Spot-Fix K-Vario firewood processing machine can handle logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter, cutting and splitting them into high-quality billets with adjustable lengths ranging from 25 to 50 centimeters. It boasts an impressive processing capacity of up to 10 cubic meters of wood per hour. The Europe Chippers EZ1290 features an 800 horsepower engine, processing large quantities of wood efficiently. Its robust design and advanced chipping technology ensure high-quality chips, making it ideal for forestry, biomass fuel production, and wood recycling applications. This guy is incredible. He makes cutting down trees look effortless, even though it's not. People need to realize that he's working with a scalpel. He's a surgeon performing heart surgery. Every cut must be perfect, and he absolutely nailed it. This is the most precise cut I've ever seen. The Civitrop TMF 3222 is a powerful timber handler with a 32-ton capacity, designed for efficient loading and unloading of logs. Paired with the 700 horsepower Volvo FH16 6x4 timber truck, it streamlines timber transport and handling operations. Witnessing this 56-inch circular saw in action is truly awe-inspiring. The massive blade, roaring engine, and swift, precise cuts through enormous logs create a captivating spectacle. Despite being 50 years old, this sawmill stands as a remarkable testament to humanity's ability to harness nature's resources. Let's take a look at another powerful machine, the Dirge HD9 Top Grinder, powered by a John Deere PowerTech 8.1 liters engine. This reliable wood processor features a compact design with a 9-feet tub and 40-inch mill for efficient grinding and improved fuel efficiency. The Pezzolato PTH 1200 features a radio-controlled drum and a powerful 796 horsepower Volvo engine without a crane or hydraulic fan. This design maximizes power to the drum for smoother, more consistent shifting, making it a reliable workhorse. Wood Miser's LT70 HD wide bandsaw forms the core of a complete sawmill system, featuring log feeders, conveyors, and an EG300 multi-rip edger. This setup enhances productivity and efficiency, with an investment of approximately €110,000 for an industrial lineup. Towering over the wood mills, the Holzpauter Extreme 80D truck boasts impressive processing capabilities, handling logs up to 1.2 meters in diameter, and ensuring a consistent supply of processed wood for a wide range of applications. The Woodcracker W1000 simplifies tough wood splitting tasks with its 30-ton cutting force. It handles logs up to 1 meter in diameter and achieves a productivity rate of up to 10 cubic meters per hour, all while being user-friendly and durable. Wow, the concentration and precision of these truck drivers is truly impressive. They maneuver these massive machines as if they were toys. It deserves a lot of respect. Delivering 116 horsepower, the TMK 203 shear is an efficient attachment for the Kubota SVL65 loader. It can harvest around 20 trees per hour. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.